so many traffic here.
Huwag ka nga mag-English, mag-Tagalog ka na. Psst. Tagalog.
Hello guys.
Tagalog na.
Ayun, Tagalog.
Tagalog ka karon. Tagalog. Mag-Tagalog ka na.
Ayun, Tagalog.
Bakit?
Ayun, Tagalog.
Nag-ayaw naman ka sa Tagalog. Di, nag-Tagalog na ka. Don't speak English, ah.
Mama, how to speak English? No, I don't want Tagalog. I want to dynamite Tagalog.
Dynamite Tagalog. Hindi ka,
I want to read Tagalog.
pagalitan ka ni teacher pag hindi ka na marunong mag-ano. Pagalitan ka ni teacher. Bad lagi ka, oy. You're doing silly things.
Silly, Mama. Silly.
Ah, ayoko na to. Eh, off ko na to. Pangit.
Sorry. Turn off. Hello, guys. It's one of yeah. Drop it yan. Drop it yan, Mama. Ayan. Gas. Ayan. Ayan. Ah. My broke my car. Ang girl. Ayan. Ah. Mama. No.
Nag-broke na nimo.
Ah. Ah.
Huwag mong i-broke. Ay, nako.
Mama, dito 7-Eleven. Dito 7-Eleven.
Ay, nandyan pa lang 7-Eleven eh.
Ano to?
Basahin mo.
Cleaning.
Hmm?
Cleaning.
Ah, car wash. Ano? Car wash shop.
Car wash. Car service. Car service. Car service.
That's gasoline station.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Gasoline station.
Oh no, I got low the gas. Oh no, I low the gas. Please fill on my building.
Hmm?
I got lower gas. Please fill my building.
How much? How much ipaano nimo yung
75.
75 only?
75 pesos.
Sus, Ginoo ko. Wala man day kay pira di ay. Ha?
Huh?
Wala ka namang pera. Bakit ka magpapagas? Tulak mo na lang yan. Tulak-tulak na lang. Wala ka namang pera pang gas eh.
Oh! Oh! Guys,
Dirty mo din imong paa. Ew.
smell it.
Yuck.
Smell it.
It's the silly thing. Very silly thing.
Mama, I call teacher.
I called teacher. Sabihin ko, teacher, my son is very, love silly things.
No, I don't want silly things, Mama.
Bad kaya yan. Pag lumaki ka na, mag-silly things ka pa rin, ay naku. Bad yan. Galit si mama, galit si papa.
Please fill my phone.
Babay na. Ang taas na ng ano natin. Goodbye.
No, I don't want that. I want to broke the bike.
Uy, what happened to you? I say goodbye.
I know. I
No.
punish you. I'm going to jail.
La, ikaw ang mag-going to jail kung ganyan ka.
Go Hold yourself. Go out. Get out. Get out.
I will off na.
Bleh. Bleh.
Tubar ng
You
kabayo.
are silly.
Mm.
You are silly.
Bye-bye.
Bleh. Be quiet the library.
Spoiled kaayo ning kana bitang bunso bitaw ganing tumoy-tumoy na gyud sa tumoy.
Bleh.
Ting buguya. Sobra ka spoiled.
I need to go.
Usahay mabunalan na
I
lang.
go police.
Ha?
Police, help me.
Anong ginawa ko sa'yo? Wala naman.
Go police. Police, help me.
Practice ka na ha.
Police, help me.
Bunalan tagig kag bakos puhon.
Turn the bell.
Ala sirain mo na lahat. Pagkatapos itapon mo na doon sa basurahan. Ha? Dili ko ni ipos oy pangit kaayo oy di ko.